listen, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me some.
Hey, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and today we are on day 3 of the Lake District series. So I'm on my way to a waterfall. I'm on my way to a waterfall, but I thought I'd just take a little stop to do my intro here. What a place to do an intro, honestly, it's stunning. So I've just stopped along the side of Coniston water, and I thought, yeah, intro here and explain a bit about what I'm planning to do today. So the plan for today is basically I want to go to this waterfall, I want to go to a viewpoint, and then at 4 o'clock we get to check into the accommodation, and I'm meeting all the girls from home at that time as well. Now I believe I'm meeting them at the actual accommodation. We've booked ourselves like a little lodge house. I think it's like 5-6 bedrooms, whatever it is. It looks really, really cute. I'm just gonna hop over the wall like a lady, legs first. Oh, I've got a drop now. Oh, crikey. Okay. So yeah, that is the plan for today. So before we do crack on with the video, please do like, comment and subscribe as always, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a post. Okay guys, so that was part of the east coast of the Lake Coniston. I'm going to go over the wall again, back to the car, and then head over to Tom Ghyll's Waterfall. Now that's near, where is it near? So that one's near Tarn House, which we went to on day 1. So I'm going back over that end, and it's basically along the same strip, like along the same route, but you just take one path off. But legit, like, how beautiful is this just to go for a walk along? Like, oh, come back, there we are. It's just a lovely place to walk. So yeah, gonna head on to Tom Ghyll's now, and I shall catch you when I'm there. Hey everyone, so obviously parked up and now on the walk down towards Tom Ghyll's Waterfall. So it's an alright path, as you can see. It's a little bit rubbly, but I'm hoping with all the rain that we've had the past couple of days up in the lakes that it's going to be a nice hefty waterfall. Now last time I was here it was like it'd been dry for a while, so the path was okay, but I see people slowing down in front, so I'm guessing it gets a little bit slippy and a bit uneven. So I'm going to continue to look where I'm going. I'll be with you soon.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in
nearly tripped up there. Okay, so that was the first part of the waterfall. Now I'm heading down to the bit that I never actually went to last time because I don't think I realised it was there, but I'm heading down further now, and then I'm going to make my way back because the girls are, I think they're about half an hour away, and for me to get to where we're supposed to be meeting is already an hour. Look at it. This is why I love the Lake District so much. Just so much beauty and so much nature. Absolutely stunning. Everything. I'm just watching where I'm going, sorry, because I nearly fall all the time. It's stunning. The place is stunning.
Down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky.
This is what the Lake District's about.
Don't let me down. Aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna head back now to the car. I don't think there's much more. If there is, apologies, but come and check it out. Go further and have a see what you find. See if you can find more than what I did today. So I'm gonna make my trek back up this, and then head off to go meet the girls, I think. Unless if I accidentally stop again on my tracks, because I see pretty things and I'm like, oh, I must stop. So we shall have a see. But to end this one off, Tom Ghyll Waterfall, moving down, camera not moving down. If I do that, and then around. So yeah, Tom Ghyll Waterfall. And you can also go for a gimbal didn't know what it was doing there. You can also go around Tarn House, which is absolutely beautiful. Same parking for it both. You just walk down to Tarn House and then take off to the left. Yeah, to the left as you're walking down. As soon as you get to like the lake bit, turn left. You just follow it down. Beautiful, beautiful walk it is. And it's not been bad. It's not too rubbly, it's not too slippery. There's dogs and older people doing it without any issue, so come check it out.
What if we could stop the pain from hurting? What if we knew that love could mend the spirit?
Okay, so I had to just make a really, really quick stop because I just seen some alpacas now. I believe from when I was last living here that this is an alpaca farm where you can spend time with them. They do walks with them, and they do glamping pods as well. So if I find out, I'll chuck them here because they're so cute. Let me show you them.
Now, all my tears and searching, gonna open up my curtains now. 'Cause I don't wanna miss out. Take me on a big adventure.
Okay, that was cute. They were very pretty, and oh, I found them. Beckstone's glamping pods. So check them out because they're beautiful. Car's beeping because I'm getting back in. But yeah, they're very, very pretty. So back on with the journey.
You stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel? What if we could pick up the missing pieces? What if
So just stopped at the Swan Hotel to go and meet the girls who are under this canopy just over this side, I believe. Couldn't do the door there. So we just turned up, and then I'll take you through a little walkthrough.
and I will follow wherever you may go. I know it's so uncertain, but I'm tired of hurting now. Now, all my tears and searching, gonna open up my curtains now. 'Cause I don't wanna miss out. Take me on a big adventure.
Okay, so that's the end of day 3 of the Lake District. We didn't do much. Well, I didn't do much. It was pretty much a chill day while I was waiting for the girls to get up. We went to Tom Ghyll's Waterfall. We had a little walk around there, little drive-in around the Lake District, and then met the girls and went to the accommodation. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post. The previous video, day 2 of the Lake District, will be on the top right hand corner. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall catch you in the next one. Adios!
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.